How you doing? Scotty Bear back with another video. This video about the PLDT in the Philippines putting out a network advisory the 23rd in 48 hours from now. They will be performing emergency maintenance that will, from what I can tell, will be pretty widespread outage across the Philippines. I wonder if it'll affect everybody. I certainly feel like if this actually goes down to 5 days, it will result in civil unrest. The Philippines have been hit especially hard from the coronavirus, and this will jeopardize freelancers and call centers positions with companies very quickly. The already fragile economy of the Philippines and them not doing any international flights, this will cross over into crazy town very quickly, I'm sure. Because as it turns out, I mean, a good portion of the offshore services go to India, the Philippines, and then, of course, different countries like Bangladesh, and also round out those figures. But with the Philippines and their kind of bad infrastructure of the internet. I mean, when I was there, that was my main complaint. It took all of 3 services, one where we were staying, to maybe the place down the street, a coffee shop, 4, 2 phone services, Globe, and I forgot the name of the other one, but it was very, very dicey at best. Most of the situations, I was very happy to get out of there when I was there to get over to Thailand, where the service is in Thailand like 5-10 times faster than what it is here, even in the United States. That's how even far and poor the United States is, even though Cox claims to have great service. But anyway, back to PLDT and their outage. We'll see what happens. They say that they're gonna try to work as quickly as possible, but this may really be one of those things that compounds the effects the coronavirus is already having on the Philippines. Thank you for watching.